How to change Facebook profile picture without losing the likes. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure you have the latest version of Facebook application over here. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Facebook application. So we're going to tap on open and it will lead us to Facebook page. So just make sure you have logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner and then select on your profile name. Here you can see your profile picture over here right now. So what you can simply do over here is tap on your profile picture over here, and as you do that you can see the photos of you or the uploads over here. So you can just tap on uploads and then select whichever picture that you have already posted on Facebook. So tap on it, and as you do that you can tap on save, and as you tap on save you'll be able to change your Facebook profile picture without losing any likes on your Facebook. So there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.